When you love someone, you do not love them all the time, in exactly the same way, from moment to moment. It is an impossibility. It is even a lie to pretend to, and yet this is exactly what most of us demand. We have so little faith in the ebb and flow of life, of love and relationships. We leap at the flow of the tide and resist in terror its ebb. We are afraid it will never return. We insist on permanency, on duration, on continuity. Possible in life, as in love, is in growth, in fluidity, in freedom, in the sense that the dancers are free, barely touching as they pass, but partners in the same pattern. The only real security is not in owning or possessing, not in demanding or expecting, not in hoping even. Security in a relationship lies neither in looking back to what was in the nostalgia, nor forward to what it might be in dread or anticipation, but living in the present relationship and accepting it as it is now. Relationships must be like islands. One must accept from them what they are here and now, within their limits. Islands surrounded and interrupted by the sea, and continually visited and abandoned by the tides.
Marriage cannot be supported by love alone. The bond between two individuals must also be forged with trust, respect, and dedication. You must be dedicated to not only trust and respect the vows of your marriage, it also takes faith to go forward together without knowing what the future holds for you both. Marriage is a mutual enrichment, a give and take between two personalities, a mingling of two endowments which diminishes neither but which enhances both.
Live your life learning and working alone. Say this is all you want, but I don't believe that it's true. 'Cause when you least expect it, waiting round the corner.
Mark and Anne, you are about to make your vows to one another. Today, these vows are beautiful words representing even more beautiful intentions. But you will find that as you live these vows over the years, investing your time, love and commitment to each other, that the happy times of your life are twice as joyous because there is someone there to share those joys with. And when life gets tough, there is someone by your side to help you carry the burden. I, Mark, take you, Anne, to be my lawful wife, to have and to hold, from this day forward, for better, for worse, for richer, for poorer, in sickness and in health, to love and to cherish, for as long as we both shall live. This is my promise to you.
I, Anne,
take you, Mark, to be my lawful husband, to have and to hold, from this day forward, for better, for worse, for richer, for poorer, in sickness and in health, to love and to cherish, for as long as we both shall live. This is my promise to you.
Time, live today like it's the last night. We won't to cry, but we know it's alright, 'cause I'm with you and you're with me. Butterflies, butterflies, we were meant to fly, you and I, colors in the sky. We can rule the world someday somehow, but we'll never be as bright as we are now.
Anne, I give you this ring.
Take it and wear it
Take it and wear it
as a pledge of my love for you
as a pledge of my love for you
and as a symbol of all that we share.
and as a symbol of all that we share.
The memory of being here with you is what I'm gonna take my life through. 'Cause some days stay gone forever.
Mark, I give you this ring.
Take it and wear it
Take it and wear it
as a pledge of my love for you
as a pledge of my love for you
and as a symbol of all that we share.
and as a symbol of all that we share.
Promise me you'll stay away.
Anne and Mark, as you have accepted each other in marriage by solemn consent and promise, by the joining of hands and receiving of rings, I now declare you man and wife. Congratulations, you may kiss the bride.
Family. In many ways, it takes more than just a couple's love and commitment to each other to produce a happy and wonderful marriage. It's been written that no man is an island, no woman either, but it also applies to a couple too and a family. Each and every couple the world over needs the support, the love and affection, and at times the physical help of their family and friends. Anne and Mark today ask that you, their closest family and friends, accompany them through their journey in life. Will you stand beside Anne and Mark and always be there for them in good times and bad? Similarly, Anne and Mark, this is your community. Will you also stand beside your family and friends and be there for them in good times and bad?